Hey, and welcome to the Options Trading Journal. This Notion template is designed to handle all your options trading needs, giving you everything you need to track, analyze, and optimize your trades. Let's start with the navigation bar. You can explore all the pages and see everything this journal has to offer. We've also built a dashboard so you can quickly track your performance. Right here on the main dashboard, there's a lot going on. First, we have the Monthly Trading Performance tab, where you can easily track your profits and losses. Thanks to slicers, you can instantly filter your data and make faster decisions. Next to it is the Weekly Reviews tab, where you can access daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly reviews in one place. For daily performance, you've got 3 different views: a table to track your profits and losses, a monthly calendar displaying a quick summary of each day, a classic line chart that shows your cumulative P&L over time. On top of that, there's a routine tracker and even a reminder tool to help you stay on top of your trading process. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a detailed trading journal table with tabs for each trade specifics. Let's jump into a trade page, for example. Here, we have a table designed to support multi-legged option strategies. You can specify your entries, exits, position sizes, and even track current market prices. The table does the rest for you. And that's not all. There are additional tabs for even more depth, allowing you to break things down further. Now, let's move over to the analytics page. This is where you can really dive into your numbers. You'll find slicers again, allowing you to filter trades by tickers, accounts, and even add more variables to refine your analysis. It's all about getting the most out of your data to make smarter trading decisions. Then, on the execution page, you can check how well you've been following your setup rules. You'll gain insights into your best and worst trades and access all the details in an instant. Next up is the scaling page. This is where you evaluate your scaling strategies from a fresh perspective. Every column is explained, so you know exactly what you're looking at and can see if scaling in or out has been effective for your trades. Over on the Inner Daemons page, you'll track recurring trade errors that keep showing up. Trust me, it happens to everyone. The key is to recognize these patterns and work on improving them. And on the watch list page, even if you're not actively trading, you can still track tickers, plan your next moves, and use advanced tools to prepare for future trades. Everything you need for analysis is right here. Plus, you can write reviews for your daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly progress, and set daily routine tasks to keep yourself disciplined. Well, that's all for now. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Are you currently using an options trading journal? What features do you expect from one? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.